show you few variations how you can perform just with water bottles or dumbbells, how you or any, like, you know, even a pan which is little iron pan which is little heavy down in your kitchen. So how what you can do, कितना कर सकते हैं स्क्वाट्स, मैक्सिमम कितना कर सकते हैं. सुनील, जब मुझे ऐसा है कि लाइक यू नो अगेन आपकी कैपेसिटी पे डिपेंड करता है. आप अगर आपने कभी नहीं करा है और एकदम से आप 100 स्क्वाट्स करेंगे तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. लाइक यू विल फील फटीग नेक्स्ट डे, आप उठ नहीं पाओगे, ठीक है. बट अगर आप इसको सेंसिबली करोगे, दैट एवरी डे you make sure that you do 15 reps in one set, and such kind of 3 sets you do 15 15 15 45 reps at one time. okay, so अगर आप ये करोगे, प्रॉपर ब्रेक लो बीच में 30 seconds का, नॉट मोर देन दैट. बट अगर आप बिगनर हो और अगर आप ऐसे स्टार्ट करोगे वो बेहतर रहेगा. 15 reps in 3 sets, so you reach the number of reps is 45, and take breaks on after 15 reps, 30 seconds. okay, now make sure your position, your forms are accurate. okay, squat का form आपका बहुत accurate होना चाहिए. ये नहीं कि आप squat कर रहे हो अपनी knees को toes के beyond लाके, तो वो मत करना. आप definitely check out करिए videos हमारे, आपको समझ में आएगा कि proper squat position क्या होनी चाहिए. सेकेंड, अगर आप बिगिनर ना हो और आप काफ़ी टाइम से वर्कआउट्स कर रहे हैं एंड स्क्वाट्स की बॉडी आदी हो गई है, ओके, सो आप डेफिनेटली कुछ डम्बल्स उठा के स्क्वाट्स करिए, स्क्वाट्स के वेरिएशंस करिए. स्क्वाट्स के वेरिएशंस पे पूरा वर्कआउट हो जाता है. यू डोंट, इफ़ यू आर जस्ट टारगेटिंग योर लोअर बॉडी, अगर आपका लोअर बॉडी ही टारगेट करना है, like you know, particularly a day, normally I believe in complete body workout, like just follow complete body workout throughout, like every day. Even if you're going heavy, like make sure that थोड़ी बहुत, like you know, reps आप अगर आप arms के लिए कर रहे हो तो थोड़े, meanwhile your rest period, just burn your calories by doing some mountain climbers or some jumping jacks or something like that. okay, बट अगेन अगर आप सिर्फ लोअर बॉडी टारगेट कर रहे हो तो आप पूरे सारे स्क्वाट्स के वेरिएशंस पे अपना पूरा सेशन कर सकते हैं, पूरी ट्रेनिंग कर सकते हैं 45 मिनट्स की, एंड नथिंग लाइक इट. सो देयर इज पर्टिकुलरली, आई वोंट से एनी नंबर टू इट अनलेस यू कैन डू इट. Just keep enjoying your exercises and keep doing it. okay, so yes, जैसे जैसे आप ज़्यादा reps करोगे, आपका स्टैमिना बिल्डअप होगा, आपका बॉडी ट्रेनिंग अडेप्ट कर लेगा, तो इसीलिए वेरिएशंस नेसेसरी होते हैं. मैक्सिमम 20 kg डंबल उठा सकता हूँ. Awesome! Now Sunil, you're strong, right? Hey Deepa, good morning and welcome to the session. How have you been? Okay, so Sunil is a strong boy. So अगर आप 20 kg डंबल्स उठा सकते हैं, तो अगर आपके पास है ये डंबल्स, फिलहाल ये घर में मौजूद हैं आपके पास, not in the gym, and if you have it at home, like 10 kg, something like that, put it on your shoulders, make sure your shoulders don't get hurt, and do some weighted squats, nothing like that. Or you can use those dumbbells alternative sides and do your deadlifts. Again, you can do some jumping squats. So whatever you have, like utilize it by doing all the variations, and आपको सारे variations मेरे sessions पे मिलेंगे definitely. yeah. So guys, I'm going to just turn the camera that side, and I've introduced you about progression overload, how you can make sure that you make maximum of your training at home. ठीक है? You know about the 3 variations. You can add it into progression overload. So please do that, and make sure your nutrition is right. Even in spite of being at home and having plenty of time, just don't go and make any junk. Okay, make sure you eat right, eat healthy. Please have green vegetables more and more. Obviously we need some more good antioxidant, and we need vitamin C, vitamin B12, vitamin D3 to make sure that you fight back this disease. Obviously get your immune system, work on your immune system to get it more strong and strong each day. So this week on Saturday, what I told you, what I introduced you, was the water to boost your immune system, okay, with all those cardamom and peppers and stars. So make sure you do that. Boil it, have it. You can even add tulsi to it, okay, basil leaves to it, and please serve it to your family. I know women all out there are really playing a very important role this time, taking care of complete family and taking care of their food, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and cleaning house, and actually, like, you know, having other tensions as well. It's not easy, but yes, salute to all the people out there who are doing it. It's a challenge for everyone without helpers doing everything by their own, and the routine gets shifted and so many things. So salute to all the people out there who are making sure that to take precautions. They are literally working hard at home. Yep. So thank you so much, and keep going like this, strong and strong and strong. Yep. Your suggestion really fabulous. Thank you so much, Nagesh. Means a lot. Thank you. Now let's take the session ahead and let's do some exercises. It's time to move on and function. So yeah, here we go. So I hope you can see those heavy dumbbells and the light dumbbells. Now home space workout, what you can do is, like, either you can do it with your body weight. Now I'm going to show you a very nice way to do some home workout with a pan. Okay, these dumbbells, I have it, but not necessarily that everyone has it. Hey Shri Pavan, good morning and welcome to the session. Just stay tuned. Let me get my heavy pan and let's do some workout. Stay tuned, guys. Oh, lovely. Warm up, waiting for your exercise. Awesome. So today what I'm going to show it to you is, so this is a pan. So normally people, and this is really heavy. I'm sure everyone must be having something like this at home. I am very sure of that. Women cannot work without this, okay? This is an iron one and literally heavy, say about not less than 3 kgs. Yeah. So people, those who don't have dumbbells more than 2 kgs, and those who don't have dumbbells at all, can do some exercises with this, okay? So if you have 2, you can basically carry 2. So I had one more, but I don't know where is it lying down. So I'm just going to show you a few exercises. You actually can add weight to your training, okay? And do some workouts. Not doing anything, you better do something, okay? So here we go. The first exercise, I'm going to do everything, yo. I'm going to use this, I'm going to use this, I'm going to use this. So I'm going to show you all the variations that how you can perform, okay? So here we go, 4, 3, 2. Up and up. Down and down. It's very easy, very convenient to handle it, because so many of you told that we don't have weights. Dude, we don't have weights. Coach, we don't have weights. What to do? Even if we order, we are not going to get the delivery. Guys, it's time to utilize the pan even the other way around. Come on, let's do that. Yeah. So 4, 3, 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Arms exercise, 2, 1 and 2. 1 and 2. It is heavy, not easy again. 1 and 2, but very nice for my toning. And as I said, progression overload, yes, you can do that. Yeah. And 2. 1 and 2. Yes, we are focusing arms today, but I am a crazy coach. I will definitely make you do some squats with thrusters. 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2. It is heavy, okay? It is making sure that my shoulder gets some burn, okay? So will this help to improve immunity and fight against corona? See, pan will not help, but fitness will definitely. Exercises will definitely help it, okay? So better focus on exercises, not the pan. If you have dumbbells, please go ahead. So 4, 3, 2, here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2. When will you use this iron pan just apart from frying down things and you're making chapatis. So better utilize wisely. 2, 1, 2. Hey, it is working out well for me. I can feel the burn on my shoulders. 2 and down. 1, 2, 1 and 2. Awesome. I could actually feel the burn, right? I could actually feel the burn that yes, even this 3.5 kg pan is making a lot of difference, So it is very light. Your mother needs heavy. Oh my God. Okay, that's something. Okay, now what were we doing with this exercise? Sorry, what were we doing with this? Now because I picked up after that pan of 3 kgs, I'm picking up something. Hey Ravindra, namaste. I'm picking up something like 8 kgs. Okay, so now I will add. What I will add is a jump to it, so that I generate force from now. So here we go. 4, 3, 2. And 2. This is what we're doing. Now initially I was with the pan, I was just creating like this and this and this. Woo! Keep going up, down and up, down and up, down and yeah. So you are actually doing this exercise with that pan, okay? 3.5 kgs iron pan. And trust me, because I didn't pick up 2 kgs initially, that 3 kgs were heavy for me. This is what you change, like, you know, you utilize your vessels. You have so many other things to you. I actually am planning to pick up the sofa and do leg press, but I need someone to just fix the sofa on my feet. We will do that someday. Don't worry about that. Okay, now next exercise, what you can go to is yo. Now this is going to add some more burn. Okay, so here we go for 3, 2, 1, 2. Make sure your spine is neutral. 3. I'm working for my red S. Keep going. 4. It is burning. 5. 5 reps. Too much. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yes, 3.5 kgs initially in first go is definitely making some difference. So it is working. It is very convenient to hold, and yes, because it's iron, you know about the weight. So if you want to use your home appliances wisely, why not just for cooking? You can always use it in your exercises. Yeah. So let's take it to the other side. So after that, no, we'll do 2 exercises together now. So how are we going to do it? Rowing and red out. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Oh, lovely. It is giving me immense burn. It is making sure that whatever my target is of little going heavy with my weight, it is actually fulfilling it. So the first set, if I do it with this, nothing better. And as I said, you have variations in progression overload. Not just going heavy is the variation. You also have, either you choose a lot of reps to do, either you decrease the resting time. Okay, so try and do it more reps and burn your muscles, and burn calories as well. Okay, now let's do it alternative side. Here we go. 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Exhale. 1, 2. 1. Abs squeeze in, spine neutral. Make sure you do that. 1, 2, 1, 2, last one, and 2. Oh my God, I can really tell you, I can guarantee you, if you actually use this, you will get that burn. You will actually fulfill the requirement of weights. Yes, 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 do that and let me know. Thank you so much, Deepa. Woohoo! Okay, so Liju, I will read whatever you're writing because I need an entire day to read your messages. So I will definitely not read it now. Yeah. Hey Divya, good morning and welcome to this session, darling. I was showing you exercises with pants today. So how you can utilize your iron pants, which is almost about like 3. This is very heavy, like, you know, really heavy. So almost like for slow grilling and something. So how to utilize it? At least better than my 2 kgs dumbbells for an initial start. Do it. Yeah. So again, what we can do is, let's work out like this for 3, 2, because I have 1, hold it on, 2. You're not going to hit anyone. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, last one, and 2. Okay. Similarly, what you can do is 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Okay, this side is not looking good. Yeah, let's use this side. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, amazing. Now do this together. Okay, so how you can do it is like 4, 3, 2, 1, 2. Get that down. 1, 2. Now understand that if you know that the weight is not too much and your body will adapt the weight in 2 sets, in 1 set, you can merge the exercise, perform 2 forms together and give yourself an amazing workout. This is a fantastic idea because again it's a form of progression overload because you are merging 2 exercises together and making sure that you actually burn your calories and of course the muscle. Hey Annie, good morning and welcome to the session. How you doing? I hope all good. What's it? So guys, now again, one more form of progression overload is to do it slow. To take maximum time in completing 1 rep to create whole lot of tension in your muscles. Okay, so again that's the 4th form, and how did I forget? Only God knows that, you know, too much of pressure when you're at home. Yeah. Okay, so here we go. 4, 3, 2. Let's go. 1, 2, down, 3, 4. Again, here we go. 1, 2, down, 3, 4. Take it high. 1, 2, down, 3, 4. Fantastic. Work hard for your arms. Again, you can do the same thing. Here we go. 1, 2, down, 1, 2. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, down, 1, 2. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, down, 1, 2. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, down, 1 and 2. Nothing like it. I am already feeling it on my shoulders, and I think I should have taught this to my own clients as well. Yeah, and it is really giving me burn on my shoulders, and it is peaking up because merging 2 exercises again was a big deal. Again, like it's like too much load on my muscles, and this is what we want when we are lifting good and we know that we don't have alternatives at certain time stage. Or so every day I'm trying, I will try every day. I will try to use home equipment and create a gym at home for you guys. So stay tuned. Let's do something from water bottles or books tomorrow. Let's be more creative with the workout. That's all we can do, right? Make sure you do proper stretches. Yes guys, very important to keep back the things on their places. Okay, so yes, Last, I wanted to show you thrusters. If you are going heavy, if you have dumbbells, yes, I use my pan. Awesome, 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 awesome. Okay, so last I'm going to show you thrusters. What did kitchen Alia home? Mom gonna cook something special. Oh my God, what is that? I want to read that. Yeah. Okay. So when we do thrusters, let's do it this way. The last exercise. Now, if you have heavy dumbbells and if you have 2 pans, if you have light dumbbells, what you can do is 4, 3, 2, 1. So down. Okay. Let's start from this. Now watch out my squat position, okay? Last one. Woo! Awesome. Now guys, you gotta make sure that certain stage, just because we were focusing on arm, jump, doesn't mean we don't do any function for our lower body. So nothing better than going in squat and picking up heavy. So do that. Do that. Yep. Okay. So that was basically a challenge for day 67. 90 days challenge. Ali ma'am ignoring my, oh my God, happy birthday. Nirbhay, happy birthday. And so happy you have joined Gokhi and to celebrate your birthday on Gokhi and on my session. Woohoo! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. And may God bless you. And all the wishes from my side and too from others. What say? Okay. So I have to go to like, read the conversation. Hi Garbit, read the conversation. I understand what is going on. Okay guys, sure I will accept sorry for but oh yes, even I didn't, but I will do that. Yep, yeah, same reason, because it was like too much when we do at home. Okay guys, so that was all about today's session. Hope you enjoyed it. And yes, people, those who are watching live on FB, Facebook, better download the app now, Gokhi app now, and make sure you stay tuned and watch all the other coaches and take the best of knowledge from us. What we do is we definitely study and we make sure that we bring you the best. So yes, please do that. 1 liter with, I have done it with 1 liter of water bottles. Awesome, Deepak. Awesome. I'm so happy that you did it. Now, did you feel that even 1 liter water bottle made some difference? If today you did with 1 liter water bottle, tomorrow you can really find heavy, nice iron pans in your kitchen, I'm sure. And you can just do these exercises. Probably we can not just with pans. I'm trying my best to remove bags and put books inside and show you other variations as well. So stay tuned and explore more and more workouts on Gokhi app and on my sessions. Okay, so thank you so much. And that's the only homestay. It's my birthday. I was staying home. You guys should too. Not like Italians. Okay, if I can call all can. Okay. Yes, Mrs. Matila and Devyani, I'm here. So, that, Nirbhay, as we discussed yesterday, that you are alive, you're fit, fine, that's the best blessing. We can definitely celebrate it whenever things get better, yeah. And yes, you're right, you got to stay at home. Not like Italians means they really didn't know, because it's very difficult. This virus is very difficult to figure out. Okay, that you have it or you don't have it. And by the time you have it, you meet several people. By the time you know that you have it, you meet several people and it spreads like this. It's so contagious. So yes, this is why we got to stay at home. And we cannot blame them because they didn't know that they are having it. Okay, but now we are aware of the situation by their experience. So their experience is a lesson for us. So definitely we got to take this lesson seriously, and we have to do good something to the country and to the world, of course. So definitely stay home, protect yourself, try to obviously wash your hands and use sanitizer, but when you go out, please don't use sanitizers when you are coming in contact with gas, opening this what do you call it, stove or gas. So because sanitizer is having a lot of alcohol, and we got a case of a woman catching fire on hands because of that. So wherever the flame work is there, please stay away. Don't use sanitizers and cook. Rather wash your hands with normal soap. Even that is working, okay? So wash your hands and then cook. That would be better. Sanitizers use when you go out in emergency cases, like you want to bring groceries, and either like someone is not at home, so you're driving down to the hospital or something like that. So use everything wisely, yep, and take care of yourself. We are about to reach 20K, and get me all that love, yeah. Okay, so thank you so much, boys and girls. You can always add some abs training to it. We are going to target tomorrow abs. Let's see what's there on the plate, and yes, how you can use your how you can do your workouts at home with home equipment. I guess this time we got to focus on that, so stay tuned. Yep, आज मेरे 20K का ड्रीम पूरा हो गया आलिया. Oh my god, thank you so much Divyani, thank you so much. 20K by Team Alia, Mallikarjuna, thank you so much. Mrs. Madala, love you so much and thank you so much. Divyani, love you too and thank you. I am so happy, and thank you so much for giving me all that love to me, and thank you so much. 1.1K people already. Guys, those who are newbies, those who are just watching session like that, better you download the app right now, okay? And make sure that you take best advantage of Goki, with Goki bands, with Goki stores, on Goki Play, knowing what to do and not to do in the rightest way to keep yourself away from virus and so many other things on one single platform. That's just Goki. So stay tuned for that, and I'm gonna meet you today 5:30 with a different set of routine, so better be there, okay? Hey, thank you so much, Annie. I learned pistol squat, head and handstand. Oh my god, in right way during work from home period. Awesome. And where did you take these tutorials from? I want to know about headstand and handstand, because this is what I'm struggling to do it. Maybe because I have my lower body is a little heavier, so I have to balance that out, or just trying my best to do it, just trying my best to go it. And one fine day when I do my best, I'm going to do it with you all as well. Yeah. So thank you, ma'am, for teaching us. Oh my god, thank you for joining the class, Nirbhai, and spreading so much of positivity. Love you, Alia, and the team. Love you too, Divyani. Annie, please take care of yourself. Hope you're doing all your workouts. Keep coming to the session and rock it. Let's say. So +121. I love this number. I always love this number. Yeah. So thank you so much, guys, and see you soon. That's 5:30 with a different set of routine. Have a lovely day to all, and have a lovely day, Mrs. Madela. Please take care of yourself. I'm trying to learn guitar in this lockdown. Awesome. That's something very nicely you're utilizing time. Great. Take care. Make sure that you make best of this time. Yep. So take care. Bye-bye. See you soon. Have a lovely day to all. Mrs. Madela, Divyani, Lee, Nirbhai, each one of you. Mallikarjuna, take care. Bye-bye.